Welcome to the International English Language Testing System. This is a mock IELTS speaking test conducted by Mullik English Academy. My name is Nushat Islam. I am your practice examiner for today. May I get your passport?
Yeah, please.
What is your full name?
I'm Jahan Shanta. You may call me just Shanta.
So, Shanta, where are you from?
I'm from Kumilla, but I reside in Dhaka.
So, are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student. I have completed my secondary school certificate exam recently and waiting for the result.
Okay, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do have some hobbies. I love to gardening. I have a little garden in my house, and I also love to play with my younger brother.
Okay. Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, I love blue and white, and the combination of these two colors is really awesome. So I do love
Yes,
it.
I agree with you. So our exam begins now. This exam is divided into three parts. We will start the part one now. I'll ask you some questions. Is it important to you to eat healthy food?
Yes, it's really important to eat healthy food for me. I prefer eating healthy food because eating healthy food keeps us healthy and it's also very beneficial for our skin, hair, and body. So I prefer eating healthy food.
Okay. If you catch a cold, what do you do to help you feel better?
If I catch a cold for getting feel better, I prefer to eat drink herbal tea. It gives me the refreshment that I need, and then I prefer to take a rest because it will help me to recover as soon as possible.
Okay. Do you pay attention to public information about health?
It depends actually. First, I think so. I should verify the information. Is it actually wrong or any rumors? And then I should trust it. So first, what I do is that I verified it. That, yeah, it is right or wrong. Then I actually paid attention. It should or not.
What could you do to have a healthier lifestyle?
For me, I think so. We should have a very healthy diet and a disciplined life. It's really important. And I wake up early in the morning and I go for a walk and the morning air keeps my mind very fresh. And that's how I'm maintaining my healthy lifestyle.
Okay, let's move to part two. Here, I'll give you a topic to think about. You have to talk about this topic for at least 1 to 2 minutes. I'll give you a minute to think about this topic. So, here's your card and pen.
Thank you.
Your minute starts now. Okay, your time is up.
Well, so it's a really interesting story. So it happened when I was a child. My mother used to pick me up from my school. So one day she couldn't came there on a time. So I was waiting there almost for 30 minutes, but she didn't came there. She didn't come there. So in the meantime, I was thinking that if anything wrong happened to her, so many bad thoughts was coming in my head. I was thinking, is she okay or not? I tried to reach her, but I couldn't. I tried to call her from taking the mobile phone from the Darwan uncle, but I couldn't reach her. Probably she was busy, and that's why she couldn't pick the call. And then finally, when she come, I felt so relieved to see her that yeah, she is fine, nothing bad, nothing wrong happened to her with her. And then she also said sorry to me because she was late. But yeah, it's okay. At least she was fine, and I was relieved to see that.
Okay, now let's move to part three. I'll ask you some questions again. In what kind of situation should people arrive early?
It should it like every situation it can happen in your daily life. If your student, you should arrive in your school early, right? You should be punctual. In your office, you should be punctual. You should arrive early, and that's why I think so. In every situation, it can be related with your studies or work. You should arrive early because it's important.
How important it is to arrive early in our country?
It's really very important in our country to arrive early because in our country people are so punctual. They value the time. They really try to maintain it, and that's why in every situation they try to be punctual in any place.
How can modern technology help to arrive early?
It really helps, especially in our country. As you know, our city, Dhaka city is the most populated city, and that's why people used to stop in the traffic jam for hours and hours, and that's why they couldn't make to their destination on time. But when the metro started, it helped them to actually arrive in our workplace in time. So it's definitely helped us in many ways.
Okay. What kind of jobs require the most patience?
Uh, every job requires the patience, but I think so teaching profession requires it the most because a teacher have to deal with lots of students, and definitely they are different from each other. So he or she have to deal with them every day with different perspective of people, different mindset of people. So they require the patience.
Okay. Is it always better to be patient in work?
Yes, it's definitely because in work, if you are not patient at all, then you won't able to complete your tasks properly. You'll be frustrated, and maybe then you won't get the promotion, or after all, you can be even uh, eliminated from the job. So it's definitely important.
Do you agree or disagree that older people are the more patient they are?
Yes, they are because they have more life experience than us. They are more experienced, so they know like how patience is important in their life, and they have been going through lots of things. So by age to age, we become more patient about that. Maybe the inner child of us wasn't able to be patient about anything, but now I know that I have to wait for things, and that's it happened to the older people as well. So definitely they're more patient than us.
Okay, that was the end of our examination. Here you go, your passport.
Thank you.